thank you for choosing Vego Garden. Today we'll be assembling our elevated rolling bed in the 2x4 foot size. This beautiful color is our pearl white. To start, assemble the garden bed according to the instructions, placing corner panels on the outside of straight panels and installing hardware only in the top 2 rows of holes. Attach safety edging to both the top and bottom edges of the bed. Inside the box, you'll find an instruction manual, a package of hardware, and all of the pieces for your garden bed frame. Read through the instructions before beginning assembly. Next, lay out all the pieces of the frame. Laying out all the parts will help make assembly a breeze. To begin assembling the frame, first connect the frame ends to the frame links using bolts and cap nuts and tighten all the connections using the tools provided. Next, attach the 4 adapters to the frame where the links and ends connect. These will hold the garden bed to the frame. On the ends of the bed, attach an adapter and a pull handle curving upwards. The next step is to attach the legs to the bottom of the frame and tighten. Slide the 2 halves of the heavy-duty shelf together and secure them. Then attach the shelf to the inside of the bottom of the legs. You may find it easier to attach the shelf after laying the frame on its side. Included in the kit are 2 types of casting wheels, locking and non-locking casters. Install matching types of casters on opposite corners of the bed in an X pattern. To install, screw the plate while holding the wheels still until the wheels are tightened into the legs. Now your garden bed frame is built. We recommend locking the wheels before attaching the garden bed to make things a little easier to build. Place your garden bed on the frame, hardware side on the top, and align the bottom edge of the bed between the edges of the adapters. Then insert a bolt through the garden bed and frame adapter from the outside and secure on the inside with a washer and a cap nut. Next, place the wicking cell trays into the frame, followed by the corners which clip over the edges of the trays. Finally, place wicking cell tops into the trays and install the remaining hardware in the holes above. Now your elevated rolling garden bed is complete. I look forward to seeing how all of you use this unique addition to your garden. I hope this video helped you, and I'm wishing you all a beautiful day in your garden.